Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get free items in Roblox. First, you need to open roblox.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Here, click on Avatar from your left panel. Here you will find several free items that you can add to your avatar. Now click on the Get More button. These are some additional items which you need to buy in order to use them. If you go to Price under Filters and set it as 0, here you'll find some extra free items which you get for your account. Scroll down and you will have a long list of these free items. Just click on any of them and use it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.